In this video, I will show you how to insert watermark in Excel. So click on insert, then text and select text box. Draw your text box and write your watermark text. Watermark. Now select your text, change the size, change the color, like select this color. Now we need to remove this box. So shape format, in shape fill, no fill, shape outline, no outline, and rotate like this. You can create watermark in Excel. So thanks for watching.